Welcome back to Galaxy of Art. Hello everyone, today we are making 4 easy Father's Day cards. Start with drawing one line vertical in the middle. Now draw one line horizontal in the middle. For the first card, start by writing Dad. Now draw the world. Right. You mean on the left side of the world. Now write, to me, on the right side of the world. Write Happy Father's Day. Color time. For the second card, fold it like this. Write Dad on the paper like this. Color it like you want. Open the card and write Happy Father's Day. I love you. Now draw hearts and other things you want. Color the drawings. For the third card, we are drawing a trophy. Now draw a circle in the middle of the trophy. Write a 1 number in the circle. Then write Best Dad Award in the trophy. Color time. For the last card, draw a cup like this. Now draw the handle. Draw a cute face for the cup. Now draw smoke coming out of the coffee cup. Draw some coffee beans here and there. Right. You're the best dad there has ever been in the smoke. Color. Thanks for watching. Happy Father's Day.